Wants to challenge what?
Challenge you to a dance.
Challenge me?
Em, can you dance? Oh shit. Oh, we about to what? Da-na-na, da-na-da, da-na-na, da-na, da-na-na, da-na-da, da-na-na, da-na-na. Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Now you gotta do the pose. You gotta. Oh, oh, oh. Da-da-da-da-da. Looking for the. Yo, you all supposed to end in a pose, dog. You supposed to end in a freeze, son. Oh yeah, that's the joint.
Oh, you back at it.
Uh-oh, now he's popping on you. Uh-oh, he's boogaloo shrimping on you, M. He's boogaloo shrimping on you. Let's serve him up. Oh, we got, oh! He took you to the floor. Oh! Oh, shit. How you come back after that? How you come back after that?
Last round, so we didn't make it count.
Head spin, yo.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. He's thinking about the move. He's thinking about the move. All right, he's still thinking. He's mapping it out. And 5, 6, 7, 8. He's still right, ladies and gentlemen.
Time is up. He's finished with.
That's just called the long up rock. Uh-oh, he's feeling it. Kick worming on you, what? Oh. 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 All right, Em, I can tell you did that shit professionally, yo. You got trophies.
What?
Detroit.
Throw that shit in.